You just punched me.
He didn't punch you.
Mom, you saw that.
He went like that with the finger.
Nuh-uh. Don't try to defend him right now, okay? No, it's not cool.
Jonathan, did you punch your sister?
Mom, you saw him. He said, "Aja."
Jonathan, did you punch your sister? He said, ah! Hey!
Wow.
Be nice. Be nice. Give your sister a kiss. Give your sister a kiss.
Hey, watch the phone. Stop it.
Do anything. No one.
Stop.
And yet you paid the most terrible price for
Hey, stop. Oh my God.
Jonathan, give your sister a kiss.
So we're here tonight.
How can I be mad?
I can.
Johnny, give your sister a kiss.
For Amber. You know, and for
Oh,
children.
that's my daddy's. What?
No.
It's got to be our first priority.
No, he's spilling it on the bed.
I'm not gonna lie to y'all. Politics, but complicated.
The loves of my life.
I can't promise